Equations on fractions, involving negative signs and featuring a fraction calculator application. Let's have this review. How to change the SAR to similar fraction. First, find the LCD or least common denominator. Divide the LCD to each of the denominators. Multiply the quotient to the respective numerators. And use the products as the new numerators and the LCD as the new denominators. Let's have this example. 2/3 and 1/4. The LCD is 12. 12 divided by 3 times 2 is equal to 8. And 12 divided by 4 times 1 is equal to 3. So the answers will be 8/12 and 3/12. Let's have another review. How to change positive improper fraction to mixed fraction. First, divide the numerator by the denominator. Write down the whole number answer. Then write down any remainder above the denominator. For example, 11/2. 11 divided by 2 is equal to 5 remainder 1. So the answer is 5 1/2. How about changing negative improper fraction to mixed fraction? Divide the numerator by the denominator. Write down the whole number answer. Then write down any remainder above the denominator. And don't forget to put negative sign. For example, negative 13/5. 13 divided by 5 is equal to 2 remainder 3. And the answer will be negative 2 and 3/5. Another review, how to change positive mixed fraction to improper fraction. Multiply the whole number by the fraction's denominator. Add that to the numerator. Then write the result on top of the denominator. For example, 5 1/2. 5 times 2 plus 1 is equal to 11. So the answer will be 11/2. How to change negative mixed fraction to improper fraction. Multiply the absolute value of the whole number by the fraction's denominator. Add that to the numerator. Then write the result on top of the denominator. Don't forget to put the negative sign. For example, negative 3 and 4/7. The absolute value of negative 3 times 7 plus 4 is equal to 25. The answer will be negative 25. Let's have these equations. Number 1, 25 1/2 plus 4 1/3. Step 1, change both mixed fractions to improper fraction. Step 2, change to similar fractions. Step 3, simplify. And change improper fraction to mixed fraction. Answer, 29 and 5/6. 12 and 5/8 minus 3 and 2/5. First, change both mixed fractions to improper fraction. Then change to similar fractions. Simplify. And change improper fraction to mixed fraction. Answer, 9 and 9/40. Next, negative 3/5 plus negative 4/7. Change to similar fractions. Simplify. Change improper fraction to mixed fraction. And the answer is already there, negative 1 and 6/35. Number 4, negative 10 and 4/5 minus 4 and 3/7. Change both mixed fractions to improper fraction. Change to similar fractions. Simplify. And change improper fraction to mixed fraction. Answer will be negative 15 and 8/35. Number 5, negative 8 and 4/5 minus 3 and 2 over 7. Again, change both mixed fractions to improper fraction. Change to similar fractions, simplify, and change improper fraction to mixed fraction. Answer, negative 12 and 3 over 35. Number 6, 3 minus 1 and 1 over 30. Change mixed fraction to improper fraction. Change to similar fractions, simplify, and change improper fraction to mixed fraction. Answer, 1 and 29 over 30. Number 7, 11 and 5 over 9 minus 7 and 5 over 6. Again, change both mixed fractions to improper fraction. Change to similar fractions, simplify, and change improper fraction to mixed fraction. Answer, 3 and 13 over 18. Number 8, 10 and 5 over 6 times 3 and 1/3. Change both mixed fractions to improper fraction. Multiply the fractions. Take note, you may use cross cancellation. Simplify and change improper fraction to mixed fraction. Answer, 36 and 9 and 20. Number 9, negative 9 over 20 times 25 over 27. Multiply the fractions. Again, take note, you may use cross cancellation. Simplify, and the answer is negative 5 over 12. And the last equation, negative 2 and 5 over 6 divided by negative 10 over 14. Again, change the mixed fraction to improper fraction. Simplify, multiply the dividend to the reciprocal of the divisor. Change improper fraction to mixed fraction. And the answer is negative 3 and 29 over 30. In answering these equations, we use this application called Fraction Calculator Plus Free. So you may download and install this. Here's what you can see from this application. This portion is for the whole numbers. This one is for the numerator. And the other one is for the denominator. Click this to clear all. And then this one to put negative sign. While this is for the operations. And click this one to show complete solution. And then, that's it.